guys, in this video we are going to be learning how to make a professional logo for YouTube. So for this you need to have an application called PicsArt. So open the PicsArt application until you get the interface of the home. So let's wait. Okay, we are finally in here, and now you can see the plus icon, right? Click on that. Then click on edit a photo. So after clicking that, there is a button called background. So as you can see, I have circled it. So click on that, and you need to choose a red background. So it's in the first for me because I already made it. So let's click that. Then we need to go to shape mask, which is in the last, I think. No, the last third. Click on that and change the, so I'll circle it so you can see that. So you can see. Then you need to click on that and change the opacity to 100. Change the background color to black, and zoom this a bit to give it an outline, like black outline. So do that. Zooming this in. Next you need to go to text, draw option. I circled it so you can see. Then click on that and click on draw again. Then there will be a multicolor option. Click on that and change the color to black. Then you need to scribble the outline of the circle with black. So it will be hard to see, but you should do it because it uses an outline. So let's wait, and then we are done. Next we need to go to text. So I'll circle it again so you can see. Go to text. Okay, now write your channel's first name and the second line name. So my first name is V for my channel, so I'll choose the font called, so as you can see the fonts are here. So font called Gloria, I think. So take that and zoom this, means make this bigger and position it properly. Next you need to, there's nothing to do then, but you need to still add texts. Then you need to click on the text again. Click on the text and write your second line of your channel, which is, my channel name is, second is C. So I'll choose the font again, Gloria. So let us get that font. Yes. Now make this bigger and change the width of that too. Now let's position it and make this more bigger and smaller, big, and this bigger. Yes, now it's perfect, right? So then you can click on save by clicking the tick mark. Then you need to go to text again to add your exact channel name. My channel name is Venkat's Creations, so do that. So your channel, write your channel's name. So I have done it. Then I'll change the width of that too, make this a bit bigger, and I am done now. As you can see, this is a simple tutorial how to make your logo. Next we need to choose the font for this too. You can choose font, but I'll not choose because this looks perfect for my logo. Next you need to click on the arrow mark, then skip the ad if you got the ad, then click on save and click on save again, and you can skip this ad, and we are done for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and bye bye.